Welcome, in front of me is an Honor Pad V9, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started you will want to hold the power button and ignore Google when it shows up. Let's try that again. So I'm clicking on the screen to get rid of this. You can ignore this and it will, as you've seen before, show up the boot options over on top of the Google, but I wanted to get rid of it just because when I'm talking it's still listening because it's open in the background. Anyway, from here we're gonna select power off, and when the tablet turns off you want to hold your power button and volume up at the same time. In a moment you will see Honor logo. Keep on holding till it actually disappears. At that point you can let go of both of the buttons. There we go. From here you want to select clear data and you will find the wipe cache partition option in here. When we click on it, there we go, it automatically jumps to clearing it. As you can see, it's very quick. So now we're going to click on back and then restart. This will reboot the device and bring us back to Android. And you can see we're now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.